Technique Tuesday. The hip hinge. Most people bend wrong. Let's learn the hip hinge. It is the basis of deadlifts, RDLs, kettlebell swings, and even picking things up safely. Difference between hinging and squatting. Keep the weight close to your body. Push hips back while keeping a natural spine. One more time. Common mistakes: rounding the back, looking up excessively, bending only the knees. The end. To be continued.